All right, we had news at 9:45, so I'm on at 9:45. I was recording a TikTok for TikTok Shop, so Ninja Trader is literally loading for me. Let's see what we got though on these charts. Okay. Yeah, let's add. I know I need a new replicanto. At the 50K first, because it's always the one that likes to act up. Okay, y'all should be good to go now. All right. Whoa. I mean, it looks like we're just bullish. So is there anything we want to wait to get into? We just want to, let me just make sure we had a sweep. Kind of. I guess it's just the news. I guess, are we just going up? We tapped in this for value gap. We have space. I don't think we're going down. So yeah, let's just get in the buy.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I don't think. No, I could be wrong, but it could be news high, news low type of thing. So, but it looks like we have a high up there to target. We're high on everything else. This looks kind of like a scalp though, which I don't like, but there we go. We're just we're already in the trade now, so just gotta let it breathe. Let's we bounce out of this fair value gap. So let's see if we can push above here. Oh yeah, I think we're good. I think we're good. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't be, so. We're just gonna see. From all right, we're pushing now. We have a level at 15,144, 144.50. So we are a little bit above that on the chart. So let's see if we just push above it and just keep pushing. But we'll just have to see, won't we? We lose. Down there, down arrow. Come on, let's push up to that high. We're off good space above. We're up 100. Like I said, we have that zone at 1554, so we'll probably trail after that, but I hope we can push to 6. Yeah, 1554 is somewhere right below this. All right, there's the 200. That is swept. I don't really like my stop being there though. We do that high of the news. Ooh.
Stop order filled. Order filled.
What just happened? Oh, it just smacked it? That's weird. Okay, well, it did hit my... Yeah, it came down. That's weird. Took out that liquidity from new, whatever this is. 940, that's not even a news candle. It's just this weird big ass candle. I still might get back in because I don't like that. But I'm gonna wait and see. Yeah, I see 930 came back up, came into this gap. What is the 5 minute showing us? 930, 930. Yeah, this is weird. 935. FOMC thing. I mean, I guess. What's the loss look like? Is it big? Oh, it's not big at all. It's crazy because that was 200 ticks, just like we got yesterday. I don't know what we're doing. I might get another trade. Every time, it's like, right when I'm about to get on a drawdown. But we still have tomorrow and Friday. We have 10 a.m. orange folder on Friday. Oh, sorry, I probably should cut off this. Yeah, I'm not going to trade anymore. I'm just going to call it. I think we could be reversing, but it's weird because we have this low here. We have to close all the way below here if we want to go down. But we are kind of bouncing off the EMA, so let's see if we can get another buy. It would be nice. I don't know, maybe I should just go the chart. Like, this looks a little cray-cray. You know, you lose some, you win some, and it's a small loss. So, yeah, I'm just going to call it and just go to the gym.